Hi guys, good morning from Kariba, Zimbabwe. I am just here at our site or our property, which we are developing slowly, but with confidence that all will go well. I was listening to the birds, guys. Don't know whether I can hear them. Yeah, that's what you get in Africa. So guys, we've got some people who are working outside the yard today. We will go and show you what they're doing. And I've got Brian, my husband, this time round. And right now he's making breakfast for us. There's Brian. What are you up to?
Making something to eat.
All right. So yeah. So there's Brian. Yeah, you wanna say hi to my people, please, Brian?
Hello internet, hello YouTube.
Yeah. So that's Brian there. So this time he's the one making breakfast. There, guys. So what have we got, Brian?
Just eggs, bacon,
All right.
and bread.
Okay. We've got bread rolls, and I'll also show you bread, brown bread, a loaf which we bought. I'll also show you the bread which we bought from one of the new cafes we have right in Kariba. I've got some things for coffee, guys. So I bought this from the UK. Honey, because I love my honey. You've got Coffee Mate. You've got the coffee, which I put in here. That's why I labeled it. I love this coffee, and I just took from a big jar that I have in the UK. Otherwise, the name I cannot pronounce it. Yeah, let me know how you pronounce this if you can see my handwriting. Dough egg beds. I don't know, whichever. So that's what we have so far. That's just a kitchen roll. And yeah, guys, this is our cooking area. We got double sink here, and we are using this small electric stove. And what else can I show you? Here is just rubbish bin, which I need to close. And here we put bottles, empty water bottles. People here in Zimbabwe, they use this for making some drinks.
They reuse the bottles.
Sorry, they reuse the bottles, yes, to make the drinks that they sell. We need to take this rubbish to outside to the bins. They get collected on Fridays. Guys, that's our shower room. There, that door, that's our toilet. That's mom and dad's bedroom. Me and Brian live in this camper bus. And these are Brian's tools, men's tools. He brought this all the way from the UK. All right. And that's our property, where we are developing, as I said, slowly, surely. So right over there, we got a classic caravan. We love classics, guys. So we're gonna renovate that as well. And that's just one of the safari tents which we have put in place so far. We'll show you in a moment. We got a safari tent. I don't know if you can see beyond that clothesline. Yeah. And let me show you something interesting as well that we have here in Zimbabwe, in case we don't have this in your countries. Most African countries, they do have this. This is a sweeping broom. So you use this to sweep the yard, just like that. So yeah, very handy. It's just some dried what shrub? Are these shrubs, right? Or whatever you call them. These.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the forest. So they just put here, you tie them with a string, and you can sweep the yard with it. So very handy. Yeah, these are the things that makes Africa. So we keep it there. That's our little car that we use here. All right. So while we wait for breakfast, I'll find something for you to use, love. You're doing very well, though. We will go inside the camper bus and get some more things that you might need.
We need treats, that's all. We need bread. Are you gonna make everything out here? So we need butter, we need all the ingredients to. It's on. You want it all? I think you need sugar as well. Are you gonna make it in there?
What's that?
You got all the coffees here, so we need sugar from inside and teaspoon. See? You don't know what you.
Auntie, auntie, auntie. Boy, sorry, Jenny, you look at one. Then what one comes up with that's the lady who is helping us. We only do. Right, guys, I love to give people some work if I can. So helping the community. People here in Zimbabwe, some of them, they don't have jobs. So whenever I get a small job, I like to give it to the locals. We got a lady who helps us with laundry. We got some guys, like I said, young guys out there who've been working on this site for some time. So we'll go there later on after breakfast. But yeah, let's continue. I need to show them some Zimbabwe products, not so that people can see what we have here. Stock margarine. I believe this is made in Zimbabwe, is it?
Yeah.
Yes, let's see. No, you are wrong, Brian. Manufactured in South Africa. This particular one.
All right.
40% fat spread. This one is South African made. Let me see this one. Eden mixed fruit. Oh yes, this one is made in Sasa, Harare. This one, light 2% fat milk. Made in, guess, Munondo Road, Zimbabwe, Rua. Zimbabwean product. I've got a little banana here. These bananas, I love them. We bought them when we went to Gweru and we found them being sold by vendors. So I bought these and they are nice. They're different taste, different texture, but I love them so much. So guys, we live in a camper bus and we got our matching plates. They're green. They're plastic ones which we just got from the local shop. So they're quite handy. But sometimes when you're traveling, you don't want heavy things because we do plan to travel on this bus. In the UK, we do some caravanning and camping. So it's something that we love. We've always been outdoor people. Even our children grew up going out into the fresh air. So we got some plates here for me and Brian. Got some forks. However, we don't have matching knives, which is fine. As I said, it's all the kids have things that are easy to move around with. So we are using these plastic knives, disposable ones, but we keep them, we don't dispose them. So yeah, these are ready. Got some sugar, brown sugar. I put honey, but Brian likes sugar. I put sugar sometimes in my coffee, but sometimes I like to put honey. So yeah. See guys, on my channel I show you the real Maria Hamz. Whatever I'll be doing is what I show you. I like to make it real. So if you're enjoying this channel, please don't forget to like it and share it, and also comment so that we can interact. If you're new here, my name is Maria Hamz. I am a middle-aged woman. My husband Brian sitting over there. We got two boys who are now in their 20s. So what else can I say? we are Christians. Yeah, we love the Lord so much, and most of our time we spend um, doing church things, if you like to put it that way, going to church, meeting friends, traveling. Those are some of the things that we love to do. I love property, and that's why I am in this place trying to develop. Brian is a mechanic, and he plays with cars and anything with an engine, he says. And also, he's a hands-on person. So yeah, it's just a little bit about ourselves. You also see my mom and dad, who I do most of the time I'm with them. So, and sometimes you see the boys. You know, the young people, sometimes they don't like to come on the camera. But yeah, guys, 2026, I'm hoping that I'll be giving you more content. So just let me know, like I said, what you want to see. Sorry, guys, I was just looking at something over there. It's just like a, no, don't worry. I think it's just a bird. Oh, yes, it is. Did you see the bird, Brian? And it's going into the caravan.
Is it?
Yes, I think it's going in the caravan.
Okay.
So yeah, 2026, guys, want to give you more content, me and my family. As long as everyone is respectful, you're enjoying the videos. We don't like people who come here on the channel and want to give negativity. We want to be positive and enjoy ourselves and also share our lives with you. So that's a little bit about ourselves. Our beans are ready, eggs are ready, so we can have breakfast. So Brian, you getting ready to come and eat? Are you gonna dish while I make the coffee, or you want to make the coffee?
I can make coffee.
Or you want me to sit down and then you can
I
save me?
can do the easiest one. I always choose the easiest
Which
route.
one is this one?
Making coffee.
Yeah, so I bought it. Not for you here. Ready? You have a spoon there. One time I have to go back in the camera.
I'll go and make this one.
Okay.
I said it, you didn't hear me.
Oh. So let me get my chair around so that I can be able to eat breakfast from there. We're gonna taste this bread, guys. We bought it the other day. We kept it in the fridge. It's a new cafe that we have here in Kariba. But they are selling on behalf of flourless loaf. This apparently is a flourless loaf. Yeah, yeah. Coconutty.
How strong do you
So
want the
this,
coffee?
you've got there's a phone number there and an email. It's coming from a farm, Mountain View Farm in Pindura. Okay, guys. So we wanna try it. So they're called coconutty, nutritious and delicious. Look, it does look really nice. So we'll try that. So Brian has already put the coffee in there, mixing mine, and also can mix this coffee and coffee mate. Yeah. Sugar is in the lunchbox. Right? Right? Yes. Oh, it's here. Sorry, I already brought it. I found it. Yeah, I found it. Cover the egg to boil. I found it. I found it. There's the sugar here.
More?
A bit more, please. Thank you. You put milk first before you put the hot water.
Yeah, I don't want to bend.
Guys,
I don't
honestly.
want to bend the coffee.
Okay, well, and let me know if that's how you make your coffee. Brian puts milk.
Yeah, I don't want to bend the coffee.
But I thought it's supposed to be roasted. Is there a reason, or is just you don't want to do that? Does it make a difference? Oh, well, guys, that's what Brian is saying. Let me know. I need a bit more milk in mine, I think. Yep. I want my coffee to be milky. I don't like milky tea, but I like milky coffee. This butter is made in Zimbabwe, I should think. Don't disappoint me, please. Buttercup should be from Zimbabwe, is it?
Don't know nowadays.
Let's see. Let's see.
Can I taste it?
It's nice. Very nice. I can't find the where it's made. This should be in Zimbabwe made from pure vegetable oil, but where is it made? Harare, yes, I've seen it. So I knew we were right. But I don't want to say the wrong things. So Buttercup is from Zimbabwe. It's nice, isn't that bread?
Is that Liver Brothers?
Liver Brothers. I don't know whether that company still exists, Brian. How's the bread?
Not bad.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is how the bread looks. It's nice. I tasted it. And it's got seeds, pumpkin seeds. That you're used to. And spill a little bit of coffee. So guys, I was gonna say, we are now sitting to have our breakfast. I like it. I like this bread. What is this flour? It's not boring. It's nice. It's different.
Is that gluten free?
I'm going to say about him. Yes, Tawan. Maziso apore. Apore maziso. Okay. Mamka semkwash. Mamka gakanaka vasheya mumba. Okay. It doesn't taste like you're eating bread. It's like what is it?
It reminds me of something. I don't remember.
That it was Podai. What did Podai? There's another name as well. What? Shimodo. Chimodo.
Yeah, but that's Zimbabwe.
Oh, Zimbabwe called it Chimodo. That's interesting. Yeah, it's like Chimodo, but nice and different taste from Chimodo. Sort of similar texture.
It's so fine.
The egg tastes nice.
No, I'm ready.
Okay, so if you make something then it tastes nice. Wow.
Master chef.
Nice. I'm glad that then I made the master chef.
Maybe we can do barbecue. We got the things there, we got the mbaura there, we got the rails there.
Okay. We're gonna make barbecue maybe. Well then we need to go and buy fish. Fresh fish.
I've been saying, I thought you were going to show me where to go.
But we missed.
What do we need to go there in the morning?
If you go there, we will find it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call